Hello, I have chosen a work offer of administrative assistant because I have all the requirements to be hired. I think that my profile is fit for this work offer because I am experienced in all the fields of the company administration, and at the same time I'm able to connect with customers in a friendly manner. On the other side, I like the work schedule, and the most important for me, all the weekends off. As you can see in my resume, I'm experienced in all the fields of the company administration. Further, all of my bosses have always been satisfied with my services. And for this reason, I can provide references from the companies where I have been working last years. As you know, I should be selected by this company because I trust in my learning capabilities and I have the social skills required for this position. That's all. Bye.